fancy,
one.
fancy right here. All the bling bling, I love it.
Thank you. We got Miss Fancy with her jam Vino. Jam, alcohol infused, but the alcohol burns off in cooking, so you don't have to worry about that. Yeah, go ahead. Let them try that.
Okay, now you're
myself. Sorry.
It's all about pairings. Okay, now you guys are trying Blackberry Merlot. That's one of our favorites. This is one of my favorites. It's delicious. We have 3 signature flavors, and they pair with everything. You can have them just on that biscuit you were talking about, or croissant. You can glaze it on meats. You can put it in mocktails and cocktails. Yes, put it on top of desserts. It does everything, and it's a little bit of luxury every day. And you feel it. I see it. I see the smooth in your face. I do. I do. You want more, don't you?
I do.
I'm gonna hook you up.
Plus, she convinces you that it's so good. But you were telling me, like, literally on anything.
Yes.
Plus, this is also a really gift pack. So if you're treating someone, or quite frankly, like I say, treat yourself.
Yes.
You get the whole trio today. It's 50% off, $20. You cannot go wrong with it. Such a good hostess gift.
For you and the host.
Yeah. So you get 2 of them.
You put a product there.
All right.